to our video. In this video we will learn details about hook. In WordPress, two types of hook. One is action hook and one is filter hook. In functions.php we will mainly use the actions hook for the codes and for the functions. Look, we have write many functions here, many sidebar and post type, nav menus, etc, etc. So now it will hitting or it will affecting whole website, but we need the proper effect or proper hit in proper place. So if we want to that this code will affect only one specific place, so that time we have to make a function and put this code in this function, and then we'll call a action hook. Okay, let's see. These codes or these functions we are write for add theme support. Now we have to make a function and register supports. We'll put all codes in this function, and then if we don't call the function or if we don't use hook, this function will not working properly. So for working properly we need to make an hook at action. This is an action hook and it has two parameter. In first parameter we have to put a specific name, like for theme supports we have to put after setup theme, and then in the second parameter we will write the name of function our supports. Okay, done. Then we have write in the codes for register sidebar, so we also put it into a function that is our sidebar. We will put these two sidebar in a function, and then we have to call an hook and action hook at action, which is widget init. Widget init. Init means initialization, so widget init, and in the second parameter we will write the name of function. Okay, now our functions.php will work properly, and if we make more and thousand of function, everything will work properly. Hook is called the blood of WordPress or the life of WordPress, because without hook your WordPress theme is not working properly and will not work properly. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe. Thank you.